In the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, Russia faces substantial equipment losses as it advances on the battlefield. Compounded by a shortage of ammunition, Ukraine has increasingly turned to FPV drones to compensate for this deficit, deploying swarms of precision-guided drones armed with RPG warheads. Ukraine strategically targets Russia's armored vehicles and tanks. The devastating impact of these attacks is evident when a BTR-882A is hit from the side, triggering an immediate detonation of its internal ammunition. This results in the disintegration of the armored vehicle, with debris scattered and the unmanned turret propelled into the air, leaving only around 1/3 of the vehicle intact. With each successful strike, Ukraine not only neutralizes a Russian armored vehicle, but also significantly depletes Russia's military assets on the battlefield.